Hi job seekers, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about your job hunting rubric. It's actually a Venn diagram that I've created, and what it is three interlocking areas that are very important for you to consider when you're choosing how to target your job search. The first area is, am I qualified for this job? Do I have the qualifications? Can I learn them quickly? Is it really an appropriate job for me to apply to? The second part is, are they paying me enough for what I need? And only you can determine what your needs are. The third part is, how appealing is this job? Is this a job I'm going to enjoy? Is it one that I want to stay living in? Obviously, the ideal sweet spot is where all of those three intersect. Enough remuneration, you're going to enjoy it, and it is appropriate for your qualifications. Now, if you only have 2 out of 3, there are various problems that arise. For example, something you love and that you're well qualified for, that's called a hobby if you don't have any income. If you try to apply to a job that you think you're going to really love, it's very appealing sounding, it's going to pay you enough, but you are hopelessly underqualified for, it could be that you're wasting your time and that you need to look at that job as being a goal for the future rather than something you're looking for right now, and instead address yourself to making yourself qualified for that job. The other thing that many of my clients hear is people tell them that they're overqualified. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I think what it really is that it is the human resources manager expressing a fear of some kind. And I suspect that the fear is that the person will quickly become bored and will move on from the job. Finally, the third combination is, you might be correctly qualified and you might be earning enough money, but you hate your job. And unfortunately, I think that is a situation where many people in this society do find themselves. So you can do one of two things. You can either stick with it and find your fulfillment through your activities outside of your work, or you can seek a better job. I wish you all the very best of luck in finding a job that has all three of your criteria met. Something that's going to pay you enough, that you're well qualified for, and that you truly enjoy and really appeals to you. Now, please subscribe, ring the little bell, and I'll see you again soon.